I'm going to show you how to update get data. And the way this works is that get data, when you install it to Google Sheets, it's running on a library that I can actually update remotely. So when I do that, you have to then update it on your sheet. And in order to do that, you'll go to extensions and then app script on the menu. And you'll go over to get data, click on that. Now you'll see that I'm on version 2. And by the way, I just want to make note that right now on version 2, you'll see get data and you'll see this trial version in parentheses. And also you have to enter a user ID currently for it to run. Now with the future version, it will be different. So I'll change this 2 to the version I just updated. So always use the largest number, the largest version number, and then I'll click on save. And when I go back over here, what I'll do is refresh back on the spreadsheet. And you'll see, once the menu shows, you'll see the difference. So you'll see that it now just says get data. There's no trial version in parentheses. And when you click get data, you will still see this set user option. So technically it still runs, but it's not necessary, meaning you can just go ahead and start using it and it won't expect you to enter a user ID. So for instance, I'm going to use it right now, just very quickly on the unit price on this sheet. And I would just go to get data, set extraction columns. And with this, you have to know the data label. I put element, it's really a data label. So into the data label that's being extracted, which is price, and then the source column, which is N. So where is the actual thing that you're extracting from? In other words, that's column N. And you can I'll just click OK. And now it's set. So you didn't bother asking me about a user ID or anything. And now I can just go ahead and start extracting. Many of these sites, it may not, well, Amazon, it doesn't extract without you adding on some kind of API, which is something for the future I want to do, is share the code in a way that if you want to go and get, say, some kind of API that can scrape Amazon, for instance, some kind of scraper API, that you'll be able to add that in, and I'll be able to help you to do that. And so that's something for the future. But basically right now, it's just going to work on certain sites. So if I select this area and then click extract range, for instance, it will work on Etsy. So you'll see the Etsy listings here, that prices will appear for those, but not for the Amazon. And probably not some, I have seen it occasionally work on Walmart, but it's not generally it's not able to get through to Walmart without some kind of HTML scraper API service. So that's basically it. I just wanted you to mainly to see how to update it to this to the newest version, so you don't have to enter the user ID if you add it to any. So basically any spreadsheet that you add it to, you can go to extensions, app script, and do the same process on that spreadsheet as well. Just set in the latest version number on the library, and that's just about it. You can always reach out if you have any questions. And yep, look forward to seeing you in another video.